common source stage with diode load. As shown in figure, gate, drain and source of MOSFET are shown. Then gate and source are not connected as required. VGS is greater than VTH. So as we require VGS greater than VTH, gate and source are not connected. Then drain to source connection is not possible to short. Then drain to source connection is not possible to short, so we connect drain to gate. Drain to source connection is not possible to short, so we connect drain to gate, and thus MOSFET acts as a diode. So as shown in the figure, gate and drain are connected, and so now we have VGS is equal to VDS. So as shown in figure, now VGS is equal to VDS. So VDS is greater than or equal to VGS minus VT, and VGS is greater than V threshold. So now here gate and drain are connected. So now as shown in figure, AV is equal to GM R0. So GM is gain, GM is transconductance and R0 is internal resistance. So AV, that is gain, is equal to GM R0, and that is transconductance into internal resistance. This is maximum gain that can be generated from a single MOSFET. So maximum gain that can be generated from a single MOSFET is AV equal to GM R0. So in mod, AV is equal to GM into R out. So GM is equal to I out upon V in, so that is GM, and R out is equal to V out upon I out, so that is R out. So this equation can be illustrated like this also, that is in mod AV is equal to GM into R out. Now here we are about to study calculation of GM. First we have to remove the load, then short output to ground, then third consider a short circuit current to I out, and fourth, so first we have to remove the load, then so now we remove the load, then shorted output to ground, and third consider a short circuit current I out. So GM is equal to I out upon V in, we are getting. So we have drawn the circuit in which gate is shown, then I out is GM into V in. So I out is equal to GM into V in. So I out upon V in is equal to GM. So we are putting V in on the left hand side. So I out upon V in is equal to GM. So R out is equal to two resistors in parallel, that is small internal resistance and capital RD. So they are parallel. So replacing V in by R out. So AV is equal to minus GM in bracket R0 parallel to RD. So AV is equal to minus GM R0 parallel to RD. Disadvantages: AV gain increases by increase in GM. Then W by L is large. That is AV, that is gain increases by increase in GM. So this is first disadvantages. Then second is ratio of W upon L is large. So these are disadvantages. Then what is maximum value of RD is equal to infinity. AV is equal to GM in bracket capital RD parallel with small r0. So AV is equal to minus GM R0. This is intrinsic gain of MOSFET. So this is the final result, that is AV is equal to minus GM R small r0, that is internal resistance. So gain is equal to minus GM R0. This is intrinsic gain of MOSFET. And maximum value of RD is equal to it can be infinity.